Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Sunday guys. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful Sunday. Guys, I got a nice dessert here. This is something that me and my daddy really enjoyed. This is a nice biscuit peach cobbler. Now, some of you guys probably never heard of it before. Maybe some of you have. But we're going to jump into this video and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get this thing done. Alrighty guys, so here's my short list of ingredients here. A couple of things missing. Got me 2 cans of this sliced peach right here. I'm actually going to be using 1 can of this, and I have another bigger can. I'm going to be using those 2. And I got me some ground cinnamon here. Going to use a little granulated sugar also, and some vanilla extract. And I already got my biscuit made already on the side. I'm not going to go through that process. You guys have seen me made biscuit already, but I will put the link to that video in the description so you can check it out if you haven't seen me make biscuits before. But right here I got my peaches in my pan already here, and I'm just going to go ahead and get me about a half a cup of granulated sugar inside of here. You don't need it to be too sweet because that peaches in a syrup, which is already sweet. And I'm going to add me some cinnamon, heavy on the cinnamon. Alright, you guys can add nutmeg in it if you like. I'm not too big on nutmeg in my cobblers and stuff, so that's why you never see me use it. Then I'm going to go ahead and just dump the rest of that vanilla inside of here. Vanilla makes everything better. Alright, then we're just going to mix that together guys, and that is it for our filling. I'm not going to put any flour or cornstarch in here to thicken this up because I want all of that juice. My daddy used to like all of that nice good extra juice so that that biscuit gets soaked up into that juice, and that's what makes it really good. Alright, so once we have that like that, I'll come over here and get my buttermilk biscuits that I have made already. This is just 1.5 sticks of butter, some buttermilk, and self-rising flour. Like I say, I'll put the link to that full video in the description so you can go and check that out, and I'll add the link to my cheese biscuits also so you can check both of those videos out. So once I have that, I'm just going to come in here and lay my biscuits on the top just like this. Make a little room here so that I can get 4 of these bad boys down inside here. Just as such. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of them down in here. Just like that. I even had 5 left over. I'm just going to bake those on the side and have those with a little grape jelly. Alright, so once I got that, this is going to go in the oven guys, just like this, uncovered, 350. Gonna let it cook for about 35 to 45 minutes. You're going to make sure that that biscuit is nice and done. And I let this go for 40 minutes, and this is what we have right here. Nice beautiful pan of biscuit and peach cobbler. And this is after I let it cool for about 5 or 10 minutes or so. It was still hot, but it cooled down enough. So I'm just going to take my thumbnails and my videos, and I'm going to come back, give this a taste test for you guys. My Sunday dessert. Nice good biscuit peach cobbler. I know my daddy is looking down and just licking his lips at this thing. Alright guys, coming in with a quick taste test. Got my nice good biscuit peach cobbler right here. I'm not gonna waste any time with this thing because I know if I waste any longer, my daddy gonna come and take it from me. I'm gonna come in here. This is what it's all about guys. It's all about that juice of that peach. See how that biscuit already soaked down into that. Just go ahead and piece of that biscuit like that. Already got that juice soak up in there. Come on out of here. Come on out of here. Look at that. That's a good bite. That's a good bite. Look at that. You guys can see that? I'm dropping it all over the place. Look like it's focused. Alright, give that a try. Nice good biscuit. Peach cobbler. Still hot, but going in. Oh man. That biscuit soaked down in there like that. You don't need a lot of sugar in this, guys, because got that sweetness from the peach already. Perfect amount of cinnamon. Biscuit is nice and buttery, nice and tender. Oh boy, that's good. Look at that. Look at that. One more taste. One more taste. Sorry for smacking, guys. I'm in my element, like Chef Jeffrey would say. I'm in my element. That juice and that biscuit is what make it. Last bite. Daddy, I know you're down there. Not down there. Not down there. I hope you're not down there, Daddy. I know you're looking down here and turning your eyes at me with these nice good biscuit and peach today, but I'm gonna enjoy this. Alrighty, guys. So I hope my daddy isn't down there looking up at me. Oh man, let me quit. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And also please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and I'm on Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I am definitely going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace. Have a blessed weekend, guys.